Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a little bit of math. But before we do, I might as well again introduce our student here, Lily. And I'm going to give her a cookie because she's really been working hard listening to all my lessons. Good girl, I hope you enjoy this lesson, Lily. Okay, today we're going to review. You already know how to do this, to compare fractions. The first thing I want to quickly do is just to review the signs with you. We have three. We have greater than, less than, and the equal sign, okay? So I'm going to give you two fractions, and we need to decide if it's bigger, smaller, or equal to, okay? The first one I'm going to give you is 7/12. And we need to decide what we want to put in that middle, and then we have 5/12. This one is a little bit easier because the denominators are the same. And if the denominators are the same, you just have to look at the numerators. And in this case, you say, is 7 greater, less than, or equal to 5? What is the answer? Yep, it's greater than. So greater than goes in the middle. Remember, if your denominators are the same, you just look at your numerators. That's it. Let's go to one that's a little bit harder, with the denominators that are different. There we go. Let me just erase this. Let's look at 9/12. I'm going to make this circle again so that we know we have to put one of our symbols in there. And we're going to have 3/4. Oh, the denominators are different. So what do? Same thing that you were doing the last couple weeks with reviewing. We need to find the common denominator. I'm going to change the color. Let's start with 12, remember? You're going to start with 12 and you double it up. 12, 24. You know what? I'm going to stop there because I already know when I do my 4, I'm going to probably get to 12. So we have 4, 8, 12. Yep. So 12 is my common denominator. So now you need to say to yourself, 12 times what is 12? We know it's 1. Remember, if you do it to the bottom, you must do it to the top. And you say, 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3. Remember, you do it to the bottom, you must do it to the top. So now I already know anything times 1 that's the same, but I'll rewrite it just in case to review with you. 9 times 1 is 9. 12 times 1 is 12. Your new fraction, same one though. You come over here. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Wow, look at that. 9/12 and 9/12. What would your symbol be? Equal then. So 9/12 equals 3/4. Okay? So today, what I want you to do today, boys and girls, you guys are all going to be working on page 419. And if you look at the list of work to do today, I wrote it for you. So you're going to be working on page 419, working on numbers 6 through 17. And guess what? Today's your lucky day. We're going to do the first 3 together. Okay? So the first one is 1/6. This is number 6. You have 1/6 and you have 1/8. Now, for those of you who know your facts quickly, you already know your denominator should be what? 24, you're right. But those of you who need a little review, why not? Let's do it. You have 6, 12, 18, 24. Let's do 8. 8, 16, what is it? 24. Your common denominator needs to be 24. So you say to yourself, 6 times what is 24? 4, correct. You do it to the bottom, you must do it to the top. Might as well do it right now. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Let's do this one. 8 times what is 24? It's what? 3. Perfect. You remember, do it to the bottom, do it to the top. Your new fraction becomes 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Denominators are the same. 4 and you have 3. 4 is bigger. So your symbol would be your greater than sign. So 1/6 is greater than 1/8. Okay, that's 6. 2 more and then we'll be done. Now we're going to look at number 7 in your books. And number 7 is, well, this is easy, but I'll do it anyways. You have 7. Your fraction is 7/10. And you have 3/10. Now, if you were listening at the very beginning of this lesson, we said if your denominators are the same, you do no work. You just look at your numerators, and we already know 7 is bigger than 3. So what is your sign? Yes, it is, greater than. So number 7 is greater than. You ready for your final problem of today? And we're going to do number 8. Let's use red. And now this is number 8. And we have 3/8. And we have 3/4. Yes, your denominators are different. And for those of you who know your facts, quick, we already know 8 is going to be that common denominator. But just for a review, let's do it again. You have 8. 16, I'm going to stop right there because I know 4 is going to go right into 8. So you have 4, 8. 8 is your common denominator. 8 times what is 8? We know is 1. You might as well still do it out just for good practice. Now 3 times 1 is 3. Let's do the different color. Christmas colors. 3/8. 4 times what is 8 is 2. Times 2. You do the same to the top. Times 2. Your new answer is 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Denominators are the same. You go left to right. 3 is what? Smaller than 6. So your is going to be this symbol, which is less than. Okay, my friends. So remember, you're working on page 419, numbers 6 through 17. We already did the first 3. Good luck. If you have any questions, send me a message. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Bye.